Good morning, guys. Today we are going to discuss about preparation of phenols. The phenols can be prepared from haloarenes, or this process called the Dow's process. It is an industrial process in which the phenol is manufactured very large scale from haloarenes. Halo means halogens. You know about the halogen. What are the halogens? The 17th group elements are called halogens. Arenes means aromatic rings or aromatic structures. From first preparation from haloarenes, in which we are taking the chlorobenzene. The chlorobenzene can be prepared from halogenation of benzene. It gives chlorine. So we are taking this benzene. We are taking benzene. It is treated with the chlorine. It gives chlorobenzene. So we are taking the chlorobenzene. It is hydrolyzed with 6 to 8 percentage of sodium hydroxide at 300 bar pressure and 633 Kelvin temperature. Why we apply very high temperature and very high pressure? Because this carbon chlorine bond is very strong. It is a very shorter bond, because the sp2 hydroxyl carbon pull the electron towards itself. The bond is a shorter, and due to the resonance here double bond character are produced. For this reason we maintain at a critical temperature to break the bond. See a carbon chlorine bond. So we are taking the chlorobenzene is hydrolyzed with this 6 to 8 percentage of 6 to 8 percentage of sodium hydroxide. We are taking 6 to 8 percentage of sodium hydroxide, heated at a 633 Kelvin temperature and high pressure. It gives sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide is formed through benzene intermediate. Benzene intermediate. Benzene intermediate. It is an unstable compound. It gives the sodium phenoxide. Benzene intermediate. This sodium phenoxide is treated with the dilute hydrochloric acid. It gives phenol and a sodium chloride. This chlorine and sodium goes out a sodium chloride as a byproduct. It gives the phenol. From haloarenes, this is the first step. We are preparing the phenols from haloarenes, or it is also known as a Dow's process, in which the chlorobenzene is treated with the sodium hydroxide 6 to 8 percentage of sodium hydroxide at a 633 Kelvin temperature and a 300 bar pressure. It gives sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide is formed through the benzene intermediate. When the sodium phenoxide is treated with the dilute hydrochloric acid, it gives phenol. It gives phenol. Do you understand, student? Preparation of phenol. First preparation from haloarenes. Halo means halogens, arenes mean aromatic ring, aromatic structures, or it is also known as Dow's process. So now let us discuss about next methods for preparation of phenol. Second methods, the phenol can be prepared from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. So in which the benzene is treated with the oleum. Oleum is nothing but it is a fuming sulfuric acid, or we can say pyrosulfuric acid. Oleum. So we are taking benzene. This benzene, the benzene treated with the oleum, it gives benzene sulfonic acid. This is the benzene sulfonic acid. Here oleum nothing but it is a H2S2O7, or we can say pyrosulfuric acid or fuming sulfuric acid. Okay, fuming sulfuric acid nothing but it is a very highly concentrated sulfuric acid. So the phenol can be prepared from benzene sulfonic acid, in which we are taking the benzene treated with the oleum, it gives benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid heated with the molten sodium hydroxide at a 623 Kelvin temperature, it gives sodium phenoxide. When this sodium phenoxide is acidified with acids or acidification, it gives phenol. It gives phenol. Do you understand, student? So phenol can be prepared from benzene sulfonic acid, in which benzene is treated with the oleum, or we can say pyrosulfuric acid, or we can say fuming sulfuric acid. It gives benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid heated with the molten sodium hydroxide at a 623 Kelvin temperatures, it gives sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide on acidification gives phenol. On acidification gives phenol. Do you understand, students? Here oleum is nothing but it is a fuming sulfuric acid. This is the fuming sulfuric acid. The molecular formula is H2 H2S2O7 or H2SO4SO3. This is the oleum or fuming sulfuric acid. Do you understand, student? I hope you understand. This is the second method for preparation of phenols from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Then third methods, preparation of phenol from aniline. So in this, aniline is treated with the nitrous acid. This nitrous acid we obtain from the reaction between sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid. It gives nitrous acid. So when the aniline treated with the nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature, it gives benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride treated with hot water, it gives phenol, and the nitrogen gas goes out and it gives the hydrochloric acid. It gives hydrochloric acid. So third method, the phenol can be prepared from aniline. Aniline is diazotized. What is the diazotization? Diazotization is nothing but it is an organic reactions between primary amine and nitrous acids. The reaction between primary amine and nitrous acid is called diazotization. Diazotization. Here aniline is treated with the nitrous acids. We obtain the nitrous acids from sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acids. It gives nitrous acids and sodium chloride. At 273 to 278 Kelvin temperatures, it gives the benzene diazonium chloride, which on treatment with the hot water it gives phenol. What is diazotization? It is an aromatic reaction between primary amine and nitrous acids. to give the diazo compound. Here N double bond N is the diazo group. N double bond N is the diazo group. It is called the diazo compound. Here benzene diazonium chloride. It is called a diazotization. So do you understand, student? Third method, we can prepare phenol from aniline. Aniline is diazotized with nitrous acid or treated with nitrous acid. It gives a benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride on treatment with hot water, it gives phenol. It gives phenol. So next method, let us discuss upon next method for preparation of phenol. The phenol can be prepared from cumene. Here we are taking a mixture of benzene and propene in a closed vessels and heated at 523 Kelvin temperatures. It gives cumene, or we can say isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. So which on oxidation by air with 5% aqueous sodium carbonate solutions gives cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide. Which on treatment with the dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute acids gives phenol and acetone. Here in this method we are taking the mixture of benzene and propene in a closed vessel and heated at 523 Kelvin temperature in the presence of catalyst phosphoric acid. It gives the cumene. Cumene is nothing but what is this? Isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. So on passing air to a mixture of cumene and 5% aqueous sodium carbonate solutions, here oxidation takes place. It gives cumene hydroperoxide. This cumene hydroperoxide is treated with a dilute acids gives phenol and acetone. Acetone is also an important byproduct in these reactions. This is the we are taking the mixture of benzene and propene. Here phosphoric acid is used as a catalyst. We heated at 523 Kelvin temperatures. It gives cumene. Cumene is nothing but isopropyl benzene. It is an isopropyl benzene. So on passing air to a mixture of cumene and 5% aqueous sodium carbonate solutions, here oxidation takes place. It gives cumene hydroperoxide. This is the peroxide linkage formed here. Here O single bond O is called a peroxide linkage. So the name of this compound is cumene hydroperoxides. So which on hydrolyzed with the dilute acids, it gives phenol and acetone. So in these reactions, acetone is a byproduct. Acetone is a byproduct. So do you understand, student? These are the four methods for preparation of phenols. The first method is the phenol can be prepared from haloarenes. Second method from benzene sulfonic acids. Third method from aniline. Fourth method from cumene. This is very important. Preparation of phenols. Do you understand, student? I hope you understand. If you like my video, subscribe and share it to your friends for getting more updates. Thank you.